Hey, this is Ryan from PerformaBuilt, and you might remember my segment I used to do called Tech Tip Tuesday. Well, not that it was original or anything, but I really liked it, and now I don't because everybody uses it. So we're going to do a new segment called Fuck Around and Find Out Friday, because I can say that and most companies can't. So today we are going to find out how much fluid you lose within 5 seconds of highway driving when you pop a cooler line. This will be an interesting one. Now, this also applies to you guys when you underfill your transmission too, because when you don't put enough fluid in it, the same thing happens. We lose hydraulic pressure. Can I fill it back up? Can I just put more oil in it like an engine? No, because your engine is not hydraulic. This is. It's not a lube-based system. It needs pressure. So hydraulics make pressure, and when you take that away, your clutches start coming apart, causes friction. Remember when I lit that clutch on fire with the torch? That's what happens. We're only going to run it 5 seconds today, so we don't seriously hurt or injure ourselves, but it's quick enough to show you what'll happen, how much fluid you'll lose. Now, we have a gracious volunteer, Evan Rispaldo here. Evan has kindly volunteered to not let the fluid get all over my semi-okay, not so clean floor. What we're going to do now is just get the process started and fuck around and find out. Now we'll get everything fired up here. And what we're going to do is just bring it up to about 2,000 RPM or so. And, you know, general highway speed, probably a little over highway speed, but it's fine. Everything's fine. Yeah, that's about 2,000 or so. Let's turn. Now notice when I shut the dyno off, it doesn't stop. There's centrifugal forces still at play. It's not going to just stop. And you guys telling me sometimes that you've just lost a quart or two? Come on now. And you see when I shut the dyno off, it doesn't stop right away. We've probably, you want to get that real quick, Travis? Travis is here observing. So how much fluid do you think we lost there? I'm saying roughly 4 quarts in just that 5 seconds.
Yeah, I'm thinking we got 5 or 6 out of it.
5 or 6. Evan thinks 5 or 6. I think you guys be the judge. That's about a quarter of a 5-gallon bucket, which is about a gallon. So that's half the transmission. You guys are expecting 9 to 14 quarts when 9's the minimum, and you've at least lost half of that. The transmission's definitely damaged. It might drive fine for a little, but you've heard it. So thank you for fucking around and finding out with us. Have a happy Friday.